This problem has been taken from the chapter Coordinate Geometry of Grade 10 Maths Reader. In this video, I am going to show you how to create the problems of this type. This problem is based on distance formula. The distance between 2 points is given as 10 units. And y is the unknown value. To create a problem of this type, firstly we will have to change the distance. And depending upon the distance selected, the points will be changed appropriately. Now I have removed the coordinates of the points as well as the distance. To create a perfect problem and to fill the spaces with appropriate values, I am going to use Pythagorean triples. These are the few Pythagorean triples we come across frequently. Formula to find the distance between 2 points. I have taken the Pythagorean triples as 5, 12 and 13. The biggest among them, 13, will be the distance between 2 points. In here we can notice that under root 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13. The coordinates of P and Q are taken as x1, y1 and x2, y2. As said earlier, distance is 13 units. If you notice these two equations, x2 minus x1 must be equal to 5 and y2 minus y1 must be equal to 12. So we should select x1 and x2 such a way that their difference must be equal to 5. Similarly, we have to select y1 and y2 in such a way that their difference should be equal to 12. Now I am going to show you in how many different ways you can fill these blanks. Once again, difference of these two must be equal to 5 and 12 respectively. 7 minus 2 is 5. 15 minus 3 is 12. So x1 and x2 are 2, 7. y1 and y2 are 3, 15. Put the values over here. If you want to insert some minus signs in the coordinates, you can of course do that by changing the values. Here 2 minus of minus 3 again gives you 5. Similarly, 11 minus of minus 4 gives you 12. So x1, x2 are minus 3, 2, whereas y1, y2 are minus 4, 11. You can change the values in many different ways and create many problems. It doesn't matter even if you get minus 5 and minus 12 inside the bracket as we are squaring. The distance between all these points is 13. You can replace any one of these coordinates with a variable like x, y and k. Please note that when you solve the problem you will get two values of k. Now put these points in here to complete the problem. Finally, the problem has been created. Background of the concept. Every time you change the coordinates or the Pythagorean triples or the position of the variable, you end up creating a new problem. These are the few other problems which I have created.